Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to share a really simple video with you about summarizing a YouTube video using ChatGPT. So what you need to do is first you need to find the video which you want to summarize using ChatGPT. Second step is going to the transcript section of the video and clicking show transcript. The next step is copying and pasting everything in the transcript into a .txt notepad file. After doing that, you need to go to ChatGPT, and I already did it here, so I'll open a new chat for you. Paste in the prompt and attach that .txt file of the transcript of the YouTube video. After doing this, just click send and wait for ChatGPT to read and understand and analyze the file. Give it a few seconds to work. After it's complete, it's going to give you a step-by-step guide of this YouTube video, which is like an overview and summary of the video. This can save you a lot of time and it's absolutely free using just ChatGPT. So stop paying YouTube summarizer video programs and tools paying money. Okay, see you later.